If you're watching what's going on with the stock market and the Supreme Court, you will be seeing some very odd things, and some of it may be anti-intuitive. They've overvalued every stock in the stock market to the extent that ridiculous doesn't even quite describe it. They've been pumping up stocks that technically really don't exist. There's no real asset company backing the stock, and yet they've been able to trade on the stock market and to post what I call presumptive values based on what they think they can make in the future, which is, of course, total nonsense. And it's misleading investors into thinking that they're going to make huge returns on investments made in these basically shell companies, which have nonetheless been allowed a position on the stock exchange. So I'm warning everybody, get out of the stock market unless you are prepared to lose it all. Okay? This is a run-up similar to what went on in 1929. And if you're watching the news, you see that Jamie Dimon came on and stirred the pot, just like bankers in that scenario did immediately prior to the crash. So they're actually trying to create a market collapse. And they are doing it with malice aforethought, planning to sweep in and pick everything up for pennies or less than pennies on a dollar after the market collapses. Okay, so this is just an ugly game. They've gotten a lot of neophyte or naive investors to play into this artificial run-up of the stock market. And I'm warning you all, if you have any stocks and you can't afford to lose them, can't afford to lose the money, get out as fast as you can. Now, I've been sounding that alarm for several months and repeated it a week or two ago. But really, if you haven't been listening to Grandma, listen to Grandma now. There's just an incredible mess going on, which is the result of very unwise administration and management of the stock exchanges for the last 30 years. And it's all coming down just about now.